when the HIV epidemic hit the public consciousness, okay, whether a person had the HIV. So my understanding is like the HIV is the virus and the AIDS is the illness or disease that results from having the virus, right? So we're told, right? The guy who invented, they use PCR tests to diagnose HIV patients, the same test that they were using to diagnose COVID-19 patients. And the person who invented the PCR test, his name's Kary Mullis. He's no longer physical, but there are like videos of him, not on YouTube, but on like BitChute or like Odyssey, where he's talking about how there's no possible way you could diagnose such a virus using the PCR test. And that the process that he sort of discovered or first utilized, he himself talks about the weaknesses of it. And it was Anthony Fauci, who was the head of the NIH at the time, that ended up putting together like the various medicines and things that were used to treat the viruses, the people that had the viruses at the time. I'm not suggesting that there isn't an illness or disease, but like staying on the topic of HIV, like something that Kary Mullis says that's quite interesting to me is that no one has ever proven that the HIV virus causes AIDS. There's no scientific documentation, and there's videos of him talking about how he went around to everybody. He was trying to write a grant, and he went around to everybody in the field to try to source a reference for this, and he couldn't come up with one.